Ain't cap. This was like a real moment of truth. I could get into a little scout buy right here, but that's not the bottom. I want the big fish. I don't want, you feel me? I don't want no puppy, man. I want big dogs. Or not the big dog, it's just big ass short. It could not even come back up. It could be taking its time just to go down right now. account, bro. We taking out all of this money. A lot of niggas did not see. A lot of niggas say that shit's secure, but we taking out all of that fucking money.
Imagine that we have an institution that's looking to
the trade that
Here's one way how institutions manipulate the markets. Imagine that we have an institution that's looking to profit from their buy orders, and they're also trading billions of dollars, so they need a ton of liquidity to exit their positions. Remember, if you bought an asset to sell it off, you need another buyer. So to accomplish that, this institution will push the price up above an obvious region of past resistance, which likely has similar
above an obvious. This is obvious. This shit is oversold overbought like a motherfucker. And now that they bought it up here, they just wait and give it time for y'all dumbass motherfuckers to buy it. You feel me? Push more liquidity. Now they gonna sell it to you. They finna sell all the Bitcoin to you and watch it tank. Now this ain't regular position. You feel me? They done brought in shit. They bought in back here. 25, 15. You feel me? Motherfuckers bought in back here. And now they done raise this bitch right here. You feel me? Wait, let y'all motherfuckers buy in. Boom, raise it again. So now everybody think they making money and shit. You feel me? Now that we up here, if you don't take profit up here, you just damn near stupid. You feel me? I promise you, if you don't take profit right now, you stupid.
highs. They know that a lot of retail traders will have buy stop orders set just above these highs in order to buy as soon as price breaks out. This is also where a lot of sellers might be looking to sell at resistance and might have a tight stop loss set. And a stop loss for sellers is basically the opposite order, so a buy stop order. So now that this institution has profited from their orders, they no longer need to push the market higher, so price action will reverse, leaving the retail traders shocked by their loss or trapped in the wrong direction.
Is that not what's happening right here? We had an obvious zone of resistance. You had motherfuckers who bought in. You had some people who sold right here. Now you got the seller's money and you got the buyer's money here. Same shit going on right here. You got the sellers and the buyers. 100K was a big ass resistance. You got motherfuckers buying in right here. You got motherfuckers selling up here. This is a big institution sell right here. This is a sign that we're going down. That motherfucking doji with the bears engulfing. It's a sign we're going down. You know, we're coming here to price action. We got a bottom, a new bottom, new higher high, lower low. So now we just waiting for a goddamn break of structure. Once I get a break of structure and some confirmation, I feel like we could rise back up to, you feel me, right above 100, 102.5. That'd be my final. Well, this 105 is my final. But 102.5, that's about where I'm jumping into the market for another sale. If we make it there, we might drop down right now, you feel me?
Here's one way how institutions manipulate the markets. Imagine that we have an institution that's looking to profit from their buy orders, and they're also trading billions of dollars, so they need a ton of liquidity to
the trade that.
Would you buy or sell?
In 2016, this is when I first started buying shares. You couldn't tell me anything.
I'm gonna take y'all back when I started. I need some nephew to be on my shit, man. You gotta watch out.
I trade. Just going back in time. So we have price going all the way to the resistance right here. And I have an alert here, apparently, because I was trading Euro USD a while ago. Which is this one right here? Yeah, it's this one. Let me exit out. So I'm not trading Euro USD right now because the markets are closed, so I don't need an alert right now. Anyway, we have a resistance level here at 1.12500. If you haven't watched my video on support and resistance, where I keep my levels at, just go back to my videos and watch it. It really explains everything, you know, from top to bottom. So we have a resistance right here. So we can see that price is clearly consolidating right here. It's all bunched together. So what I would do is draw a nice little thin box stretching across, right? And not necessarily waiting for it to break the box, because like a lot of traders will say, wait for it to break the box and then get in. That's not a sniper entry. That's an entry, you know what I mean? But that's a more relaxed way. And like I said, it took me a while to get sniper entry where it's like, all right, let me get in at the best case possible. And obviously, just a FYI, there's no such thing as a perfect entry. Like maybe a few times you'll get a perfect entry, but you won't get a perfect entry every single time. What you can do is get, as close to perfect as possible. Like when you're trading, we see this pair right here. I'm not waiting for it to break the box. I'm waiting for a break of structure within the box that's telling me price is going to go up or down. Being an experienced professional trader in the market for 5 years now, price is consolidating at a resistance. That clearly means price is heading down. So right now, I'm not waiting for it to break up or down. I'm waiting for it to slowly break down. It's not gonna, price doesn't consolidate on a resistance level and then it just all of a sudden breaks through. Like, it's not gonna do that. Same with support. If it's purely consolidating at a resistance or at a support, chances are it's going the opposite way. So I'm looking for sells right now. So if I click play.
What we doing at 100K?
So I'm waiting for a break of structure.
What we doing at 100K? We not finna just sit there, you feel me? And then break. This shit is hard down consolidate. Up under 100K at that. Under 100K. That was just a test. I was just, you feel me? But that shit ain't got enough strength to break through that bitch for real. That's why we came back up and settled up under that bitch. Now we could go and retest this 100K. We could go and retest this 100K, but I am not betting on it. If we do, you feel me? 105, 102.5. But really, we could, you feel me? Drop this. We could drop it right now. My bad. We sitting up under 100K. Price is rejecting. And we just got a lower low. You feel me? Now we just waiting on the, you feel me? Something. I'm finna find my account though. Put my money back in this bitch. We about to get into some trades, man. Finna get into some trades. High and lower low.
So right now it's still just purely consolidating, purely not waiting for it to break the box, waiting for a break of structure. Nope. Ooh, okay, cool, boom. This is what we're looking for. Plain and simple right here. Look at this. Price was going down, up every single time. Right here is where price is finally like trading way lower and making lower candlesticks than what it usually does. So right now on the 2 hour time frame, I'm going to scale.
Let's see if we got that somewhere over here. Our breaking structure is probably about right here before going up. And now we back, you feel me? Now we back. This would be the breaking structure. So now we should zone in right here and figure out what the fuck we're doing.
Go down to the 15-minute time frame and just look for a good entry that's telling me, hey, price is about to drop all the way down. I can see that price is consolidating right here again, so I will get another box and wait for a breaker structure with this box as well. Sniper. Price is going below, price is going below, price is going above. Fake out, below, another fake out. I'm waiting for like a moving average crossover, but also a breaker structure. I haven't seen a breaker structure yet. Like obviously price went below. And anybody who would have traded, this is why I don't trade or wait for it to break the box. Because guess what? It retests the box every single time. Broke below the box. If you'd have sold right there, you'd have lost money because it went right back up. I'm waiting for a break of structure, price action. You click play. I see the moving average is slowly starting to cross over finally. If you look over here, the moving average is apart from each other, apart. Got close together, but no. Right here it's starting to cross. Like I can see it clearly crossing clear as day. So what I would do is I probably would get in, but I'll wait for one more. Boom, right there, cross, boom. Short position, I probably would have got in right here. Stop loss is above the last lower high right here. And our take profit, we go back to a 2 hour time frame. Our take profit is the next level. Like I said, if you haven't watched my support and resistance video, I trade in levels. So my take profit.
All right, take profit. It's our first take profit. Yeah. But that's not even what you worry about. That shit gonna go straight to this.
Video where I said, the most important forex strategy ever, because it technically is. You see what I'm saying? So this would be our stop loss, and this is our take profit. So we can scale back down to a 15-minute or even 30-minute and just look at it. I'll go to a 15-minute time frame just to see if it goes below. That's what it wants to do. So play. Boom, huge drop below, huge drop. Cool, boom, we're way in profit right now. You see it. So price is starting to come back up just a little bit. And this is another video I may have to make about scaling in, but
Shit, matter of fact, this is our breaking structure. A higher low. They say now we're waiting on another breaking structure. Hey, I don't know what some of these white lines is here, but these shits need to fucking go. Anybody know how to get this goddamn white vertical line off my shit? I ain't kept. I'm getting in the market, and I'm gonna show y'all boys my broker and shit. You feel me? How it's easy to add and withdraw money and shit. All right, first thing with my broker, man, we gotta buy Bitcoin. Gotta buy some. Gotta buy some Bitcoin, man. And I'm gonna show you how, bro, you can trade with less than $100. I'm about to put $80 in this bitch. I'm gonna put $80 on this bitch. Just something Bitcoin off. Feel me? That shit probably gonna take a little minute. Probably gonna take about, you feel me, 15, 20 minutes. Gonna be worth it. I'll click that little 80. Click. Let's go back to my boy so I can see. This is the platform I trade on. That week. That shit about to tank, game. That shit is about to tank. Double tops. You got the star over this motherfucker. Right up under 95. We tanking. We tanking. Once I get that email, once I grab that email saying that my shit got accepted, we live. We live. I'm selling. As soon as the buddy tech, I'm selling. Selling. I want to see this come back up. Not gonna. But shit, I ain't gonna stay here the whole time now. I'll check back in when it got it was time to execute.